Hidden USB ports are hidden all over the world and hold secret files for you to download.
But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to Did You Know and hit the bell so you never miss an upload from us. Also, leave a like right now.
What started off as a single person and their idea to enlighten and unplug the community, as well as to stick to the man a little, has grown into a global phenomenon. In 2012, Aram Bartol wanted to create an anonymous offline peer-to-peer file sharing network in public space. He called them Dead Drops. In the wake of all sorts of anti-piracy litigation, ad campaigns and laws being made, this idea has caught on worldwide to the tune of over 1,170 dead drop locations. If you've ever wondered why there's a USB randomly sticking out of the wall, this is why. Just plug it in and you're ready to download anything that seems interesting or upload something of your own. When you're done, simply unplug and walk away. You might not even notice the USB in Pont d'Arc, Paris, until you take a closer look. That's why there are photos like these to show you exactly where to go. It's like a treasure hunt. You never know what you're going to find. Here we have one in Folsom, California, in front of the Palais de Tokyo in Paris, Hanoi, Vietnam, even Dakar, Senegal. A sticker was left to mark this dead drop location in Calgary, Italy. Just one map as a sample of the expansion of the project. Here's a copy of the dead drop README text file. It reads, "For everything you do, you are responsible yourself."